Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. So I'm just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a Coachman Acadia 630 2020 model that we've currently got in stock here at Grantham. So here is a good look at that particular model. It's the last one that we've got in stock for 2020. So a fantastically well-spec'd twin axle caravan, family caravan with a fantastic family layout. This particular model has had the ATC retrofitted to the caravan, which doesn't come as standard on 2020 Acadias. You've got the two front locker boxes to the side there, gas bottles for the right hand side, and various other amenities on the left hand side, such as your step, your electric hookup cable, and other items that you might store in the caravan. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point and exterior 230 volt socket, and you've also got an exterior side access hatch to underneath the front couches. You've got that beautiful and wonderful Acadia logo and decal finish that you see on the side as we step inside this caravan to the wonderful large side double dinette, which converts into a nice generous sized single bed, making this caravan a 5-berth caravan. You've got a beautiful two-tone wood locker effect going throughout the caravan. Nice large panoramic sunroof at the front, and also a generous sized hecky light at the front as well. Good look at the high quality fabric scheme that you see in this particular caravan, chosen by Coachman in the Acadia range. The two side locker boxes enabled Coachman to push this front chest area back, giving a far better usable and easier living space at the front of the caravan with a short pull-out table. You've got the PIR sensor down the bottom there for the alarm. You've got a 240 volt socket and light switch there with further light switches dotted throughout, and this is where the radio would slot in. Benefiting from the Aldi wet central heating system in this caravan, giving you an all-round warmth and heat throughout, and a wonderful finish on the mood lighting throughout the caravan. Generous size space on the side for the kitchen work surface, with a space on there for the television, and ample amount of storage in the kitchen area for this wonderfully well-spec'd family caravan. You've got the chrome finish on the lockers above the kitchen area and an easy usable height microwave, with the oven and grill benefiting from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. You've also got a wonderfully spacious large freezer and fridge positioned opposite the 2 fixed bunks with those clips there for the ladder to go on. So fixed bunks in this particular model and privacy curtains located throughout. High quality of finish on the bathroom door with that chrome trim as we step into a very generous sized bathroom area. Individual shower cubicle, very generous square shower cubicle. High quality of finish on the sink with your Thetford toilet and Aldi wet central heated towel rail with further storage above the toilet. You've also got a wardrobe here which is locating your Aldi header tank with the pink 5-year liquid in it, and also hanging rail above with a couple of drawers underneath. So that gives you a real good feeling about what this Acadia 630 2020 model has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, we'd be more than happy to help you here at Grantham. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour, and it's just given you a small flavour of what this caravan is all about, and I hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.